Hello and welcome back. This is TechticalSoldier here, and today we are going to be rebuilding me and my brother's gaming and editing setup. He also has a YouTube channel, so for this project I bought 3M tape from Scotch and a pack of zip ties and two RGB strips. Why two? Because the first one I brought it broke, so that's why. And I had to get another one, so I got the second roll. The second roll worked fine. So back to the setup. I basically cleaned my entire desk of dust with a duster and cleared everything off the table, and also cleaned both the gaming rigs, and then I started to lay down the RGB strips behind the table so it would reflect the light onto the walls. So then after that I arranged everything on the table and managed the cables using zip ties to group the cables together and 3M tape to hold it onto the wall of the table. And that's about it actually. Then all the accessories are arranged on the table, like the microphones, keyboards, etc. etc. So with that done, here's the short montage of the complete gaming/editing setup.